What up, witches? Welcome back to another episode of the Witches Workshop. You guys enjoyed my Mickey ear tutorial so much that I decided to do another one for you, but this time we'll be doing some floral wire Mickey ears. My friend Priscilla is actually in a flower child mood as well. She will be creating a flower chandelier over on her channel, Made Easy DIY. She has so many fabulous budget DIY videos. If you love the dollar store and you love crafting, you will love Priscilla's videos. Go check her out. And as always, if you are new to my channel, hello, I'm Carolyn. It's very nice to meet you. I am a Harry Potter obsessed DIYer that likes to do room makeovers, DIYs, and organizational things. If you like this kind of things, please hit the subscribe button to join our online family. Diving right in, what we are essentially making is a flower crown with 2 wire loops for Minnie ears. You will need something round to shape your wire into the perfect circle shape. I'm just using an extra large coffee mug to make mine. Once you have curved it around, then just twist the ends off tightly. The size of your ears are totally up to you. I like to make mine a bit bigger so that they are more visible in the flowers. Normally you would need wire cutters to trim these down, but this is aluminum, so they are pretty easy to cut with regular scissors. Next up, grab your headband. Find the placement of your ears you like best, then apply a generous amount of hot glue. Press your wire ears down while trying not to bend them until the hot glue is completely dry. Apply more as needed, but hold it at the top so you don't burn your fingers. This hot glue warms up the aluminum like crazy. To ensure the ears are secured even further, take some tape and tape it through the loop. I know it looks ugly right now, but don't worry about it. We're going to cover it up with flowers and ribbon later. Now you are welcome to skip this step, but I always feel like my ears look so much better when I decorate the headband portion. I will be using some 1-inch fabric ribbon that you can find just about anywhere. To start, glue the end of your ribbon to the tip of your headband at an angle. Angle it upwards. You want it to be angled upwards so that you can wrap it all the way around your headband nice and tight. Alrighty, next up, for my ears, I like a little extra something for the wires to be more noticeable. So I'm going to take this vine garland and weave it around my ear shape. You can even take this a step further by adding some fairy lights. I don't do that in this video, but if you would like a DIY light up ear tutorial, let me know in the comments. So cute how the bit of metallic pink from the wire peeks out from behind the vines. Now that you have your base, it's time to go all out and decorate. You can use whatever color or style of flowers and greenery you like. Just remember that bigger flowers tend to hide your ear shape, making them look not so much like Mickey ears. part of the video is really where you just let your creativity take over. Place the flowers where you think they look good, switch it around, play with it, then hot glue it on. Just keep going till you find a bouquet you are satisfied with. I typically like to do bigger flowers in the middle, then let the ends cascade down in size. So smallest to biggest type deal. But that's just me, you can do whatever you like. Once you have your base all set, you can go ahead and add accents like baby's breath, but just remember, the more flowers you add, the heavier your ears will be. So you may experience some sliding when you wear them, but honestly, handmade ears will always be that way, but they are 99% of the time always much higher quality, and they are worth it once you get the hang of making them. Make sure you don't forget to decorate the other side. Here is the final look, guys. These are so cute. Wire ears are probably my favorite style to work on because they don't require sewing. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up to let me know to keep making them, and don't forget to check out Priscilla's channel as well. I will have her video linked in my description box. Please subscribe and hit the bell to be notified for new videos every week. Lastly, don't forget to share this with someone you want to inspire. I love you so much. Bye-bye.